Hey there friends, coffee community. I'm excited to announce that it's open enrollment right now, so check the notes on this video to get signed up for our next cohort. Now, you have the chance to join in on a cohort of coffee professionals who are studying the Specialty Coffee Association course, and you will be included in our coursework online, our videos and practices that we have together. You will be invited to our live sessions and Google Meeting calls, as well as a one-on-one meeting with me, your instructor. So I can't wait to help you get started. Time is limited where we open and then close the cohort for this month, for this time period. So be sure and jump in. You can check those course dates. We can't wait to have you. If you miss this cohort, you're going to have to wait till the next time we open up the cohort. So if you have any questions, DM, send an email, contact, and we can't wait to help you get started on this next course. All right, my friends, if you are interested in joining this round of the Introduction to Coffee SCA certified course, we have put together a couple of great items for you. And the first one is that Introduction to Coffee Kit. So in this kit, we highlight 8 specific coffees for you to explore the world of specialty and commercial grade, of Arabica versus Robusta, of wash versus natural processing, and light versus dark roasted. So in order to really grow in your coffee flavor wheel, you need to understand a wide variety of coffees. And this tasting kit with these 8 coffees is an incredible way. It doesn't matter if you brew them, if you put them in an AeroPress, or if you do cupping. These 8 coffees will introduce you to a world of flavors and aromas and mouthfeel and texture. And that's really important if you want to continue to advance in your coffee cupping career. And then another special we have is, again, our Coffee Cupping Kit, the SCA Cupping Kit, where we go through the SCA training form. Again, we've put together resources for you with 6 beautiful cupping bowls and cupping spoons. If you are interested in setting up cuppings at home, if you don't have the right equipment, basically all you need now is a grinder and water. If you need your coffees ground, go ahead and let me know. We'll send you ground coffees in the mail. So, when you purchase either of these products, there are discount codes that will come with these products so that you can join the course and get a discount on your course. We're trying to make courses at How to Coffee Pro more available and affordable for you as you're buying the equipment and the tools and supplies that you want to maximize the value in your course. Reach out if you have any questions about this. Check the show notes here on this post, wherever you saw this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next class.